Hey, morning, morning, morning. How you doing? Right. You are always the best. You were here yesterday, weren't you? How are you today? Oh no, I said no, 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 no. My thumbstick has disappeared. Hang on a second. Where the flip has that gone to? No, 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 no. Hang on 1 second. Hang on. Yes. Yeah, no, the thumbstick has broken on my Azeron. I've just noticed it's come off. I can't play. Okay, let me just put something on temporarily. I've got to find my other Azeron and I'm not sure where it is. No. You can't play without the thumbstick. Well, it hasn't got, look, the joystick has come off here, so okay, let me put another stream on for the moment. Oh, let's put Lou on. You can watch Lou for a moment. Let me turn off the. Okay, where's let me put a note on.
Thank you for the GGs. Thank you. Yeah, I was going to say I place
thumbstick
quite a lot, but
sorting out Azeron.
Yeah. I'm one of those players who likes second. Thank you, Sam.
Okay.
Well, I've turned simple edit on.
Okay, we turn off the face cam for a moment.
As I say, even though I started chapter 1, I never built for years. It's only since
right, okay. I'll be back in a second.
Solo, what, about a year and a half ago, and PC, that I started to try to build. Because I was, although I played builds, squads, I never built. So I never really, I can kind of build a little bit, but never really edit. I don't get the chance, you know, in build battles to edit. So I've turned it on, and it's definitely faster. I do like it. I do like it. I think if you're on high ping as well, it definitely seems faster.
Okay. There's divisional cups. I need to find someone from Middle East. Actually, maybe I should ask Lordy if he knows anyone that will play as a third with us. Then there's the solo ranked cups, isn't there? Which I need to do at least one of the tournaments to count as one of the, keep my 14 going tournament. And then I also need to grind ranked. But I did an elite game last night and literally got 1%. There's so much hassle having to just do like 20 minutes for 1%. I don't know whether enthusiasm to do it, to be honest, to get to. Yeah, I know.